What's up, guys? We're working on my 96 Grand Cherokee today. I've been having a problem lately where I can't open the hatch. I really got to mess around with it to get it to work right, to get it to open. So this is what we're working with. You can tell it's like leaning over and it's like lopsided. We believe there's rust building up under there. So we're going to take off this panel here. It's a couple screws. And we'll see what's lurking underneath waiting for us.
Okay. It just needs to be pushed back down, Carl. You can see how the rust swelled it. You can see it's leaning this way. So let's give it a whack back down in place. It's really, I think, just more swelled up, isn't it?
Oh, did that just go through something?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, pretty sure when you tap that back down, you're going to be tapping it to the floor.
I see something here.
Well, you're definitely breaking all the rust away. Oh yeah, look at that. We actually got to take that off and... Yeah, I think that whole plate's got to come out.
The whole plate looks like it's swelled up right here. See how it's thin here and then it like swelled up over here. Alright.
Because it didn't budge when you hit it, really. It just knocked rust out. The whole backside isn't even attached anymore. So this side no longer has a nut on it, and he just ground this one off, so now we're just fighting the rust trying to get this to pop off. Well, it's like a carriage bolt, guys, so we have the top completely off, but if we keep going, we're actually going to take the material away, which we need, so now we got to drill it out. Battery's dead. Where'd I go? Oh.
Yep.
Alright, so not a bad fix it looks like. We'll get all this crap out of here, get that ground down a little bit. So Chrysler put a plate in between, it looks like. So we gotta get this a little straight. This is actually like the same thing that happens on ABS sensors. This is just a lot easier to see. If you have an ABS sensor problem, rust probably built up in there, pushed it away, and that's your issue.
First rule, what we didn't show you is always mark stuff when you take it apart like this. Just so you're not like, oh, which way did it go back in? We just remember the skinny side faces the back. I want to try getting this one. That's gonna be fun.
Unless, can you save that? Can you just clean it up?
That's a good question, Carl. Let's try it. We're gonna try chasing the threads on this and see if we can save this bullet here.
So we're actually gonna chase these threads so we have one point of reference. The easier you can make things on yourself, the better the project's gonna turn out to be.
Trying to get this one out.
Yeah, there's no point to drive it out, just put another one in, because the nut, what, just fell off of this one or something, you think?
Looks like the nut came off of it, like rattled off, and then moisture got in there and swelled it up.
A Jeep rattling? What?
Yeah, I don't know about that. Looks like we got some nice threads cut.
Alright, so as you can see, we got that all ground down and all the loose stuff out of there. So we're going to throw some paint on there. Not like it's going to do anything, but it's going to make me feel better. And of course, you're supposed to do this at 60 degrees or more, and this paint can is not having it, so it's the best we're going to do at the moment. Alright, so here's it going back together. Wayne's got to do that from underneath, so he's going to go do it down there. Alright, let's see if it's anywhere near where it needs to be. That's pretty close. You're on the safety, I think. There you go. Is it shut?
How do you open it?
Well, you're supposed to just pull the handle. Oh, it's stuck now. So we've made a paint mark all around it because we're having problems getting it lined up. So we want to see where it's actually hitting.
Ready?
Alright, so we tried doing it without any kind of spacer or anything in there. We just wanted to see if we get away with it because that's what rusted out. So now we have some washers under there to space it up because the paint looks like the latch might have been too low. Or the latch might have been, yeah, the latch might have been too low. So we have to move it up so it catches when the door comes down. So we're going to put some spacers in there and see what we can come up with. Alright guys, so I have this like mystery stuff I bought off eBay for like 99 cents. And we're going to give it a shot. It says urethane sealer and what, adhesive?
Yeah.
I think it's like a seam sealer or something. I don't know.
No idea what it is.
I mean, that looks like it should work.
Stuff like this one gets stopped.
Alright, so basically we have, you know, a big washer, a small washer. It's all bolted down. The gate works great. We had a lot of problems because this was really dry because it hadn't been used in a long time because it gave me such hassle. I was just like, screw it. So we're gonna, this hole is not structural, so we're just gonna, you know, gob it up and seal it up. You can just use silicone as well if you don't have some mystery eBay like stuff.
You don't know what? I don't know how to use it.
Yeah, there you go, like putty. Just fill it in. Look at, there you go. Oh yeah.
no idea what I'm doing with this shit.
Oh, that's mint. Again, guys, that's not structural. The meat to the whole deal is this right here. This is just floor. So for inspection, I cannot have an open hole. So Wayne is shoving stuff in my hole right now.
How he likes it.
Look at that.
I know what this stuff is. It's the stuff they use like on firewalls, like on the inside.
Yeah, ain't that seam sealer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure.
Look at that. Mint.
This stuff is awesome. I like it. Ah, shit, I wish I didn't have all this PV right here, but...
Alright, so there you can see it all put back together. The hole sealed up, and that is securely bolted down. So let me close this gate and show you what we're working with. I don't think it's worked this good since I bought it. So that is shut. And actually, can we open it with one finger? Let me make sure it's shut. One finger open. Oh, snap. One finger opening gate now. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the content. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more, and if you're into Jeeps, thanks for joining Jeep Nation, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys.